I'm your host Kavita. Today we are going to learn how to make red sauce pasta. Pasta is an Italian food and it is very famous in the whole world. There are two ways you can prepare the pasta, using white sauce pasta and using red sauce pasta. I have shared my white sauce pasta in my previous videos. You can always click the link and watch the videos. I will share it in the description box. But today in this video we are seeing how to make red sauce pasta. So let's see how to make red sauce pasta. Check out the ingredients. Take a pan and add 100 grams of tomato puree. I have taken 100 grams of tomato puree. You can always use pasta sauce, or you can take 7 tomatoes and blend them in a blender and you can use it. Now add 1 spoon of garlic paste and then bring it to boil for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix well and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now till the pasta sauce is cooking, let's make pasta. Take a big pot, add water, bring it to boil and then add 1 spoon of salt and then 1 spoon of olive oil. Olive oil is very much needed in preparing Italian cuisine. Now I have taken 400 grams of pasta. You can take any other shape of pasta also. Now add that in a pot and then bring it to boil for around 15 minutes. Each pasta has its own preparation time, that is boiling time. So you can always watch the packet backside that how long the pasta will take to cook. This pasta takes 15 minutes to cook. So I am taking 15 minutes and I am boiling it for 15 minutes. My pasta is ready now. Strain it in a strainer. This means you have to take out the pasta's water, whatever is left after we have cooked the pasta. So I am straining the water, excess water. Now I have to add it to red sauce, but before that you always need to wash the pasta with cold water. So I am adding some cold water to the pasta to wash the pasta. And now I will add it to the red sauce. Mix properly all this pasta and red sauce and cook it for around 5 minutes, not more than that, because both the sauce and the pasta are already cooked. So we don't need to cook more. Just give it a mix properly so that the sauce and the pasta are blended properly. Now you can check if the spices are less, that means red chili powder or salt is less, so you can add more salt or chili if you need. Now it is the time to add mozzarella cheese. Generously add the cheese because pasta is incomplete without mozzarella cheese. So generously add the cheese and then mix properly and then serve it for your dear ones. Remember to serve it hot because pasta when it is cold it gets stickier. So when it is hot, eat it and enjoy the pasta, red sauce pasta. I hope you like this video of making of red sauce pasta. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Journey of Kitchen. Thank you. Namaste.